Hello friends, today I am bringing you another traveling video to one of the location where you can go as a family or as an adult also you can enjoy. Location is Liberty Science Center, which is in a New Jersey, close to New Jersey City and New York City. If you have a Bank of America card, on the first weekend of every month, it's free entry for adults. So it's very important information I'm giving you at the starting of the video. Now let's start. So at the entry you will see this amazing display, a kind of a underground root structure to see and display different levels of the human and the societies and the things like that is very beautiful. Definitely stop for a minute and view that. So this is the entry point where you can enter, and then another things to see, like every corner there is something to see. Now this globe kind of structure, it's a mechanical instrument. Basically it's open and close with just a one pull and one push kind of thing. So if you pull and push, it will open and close. Now how it's doing automatically, it's because I think I will show you in a next clip. It's connected, and how it's connected I will show you in one of my clips. Also this location has a 4 levels to see activities, food courts and everything, and two of the places where the kids can even enjoy and do some of the small activities also. Definitely I would recommend with the kids and with the family people to come here. It's very enjoyable place, very information and knowledgeable place to bring the kids. Now this is basically showing the how advanced now the surgery become, where automated hand and the tools, or the doctor who's sitting, let's say in another state, city or country, can operate on someone with all these machines and computers and things like that. A lot of information written in a side and everywhere you can see once you go there. Next to that, there is another machine. You can see a lot of people are using it, basically where you can practice. You can go, you can sit there on the screen on the other side and you can practice. This is kind of like an X-ray machine just for a fun. If you want to play, it will show you the structures. There is a camera on the top of the screen, so you have to be in range to see that. Now I'm gonna go to the first level. On the another level of that, taking the elevator. Now what I was talking about downstairs, that I will show you how it's working automatically, like opening and closing. Now you can see it's explaining how this joint work, and how it's able to do it with just a one pull or push, opening and closing, the way it's called the Caesar joint something. It's connected through that, and with this you can see in the side, basically I saw it, they connected a small computer and then this whole string which is doing all this automatically every some time in a frequency, opening and closing. Now at the second level, there is a food court, small, where there is a coffee option and some of the bread options and things like that. There is a sitting place also, as well as some of the theaters are there where they run a 3D movies and all the movies and all. Also this place, the open place what we are seeing it there, sometimes they display and have a small demo also, a practical demo to explain everyone how it works, like kind of a like volcano and things like that. Now the top one what you are seeing, the kids can play. You can see a lot of kids are right inside and like they can climb, go down and things like that, so it's very fun activity. After that, we reach on the other side, on the same second level, where there is a park on an outside of that with all the scents and everything, and the kids can basically play, you know how it works, what is this, what's the name and everything. Very fun. On the right hand side, there is a small machine where you can pay, basically it's extra pay, but you can enjoy, this is the one I'm talking about, and have a 3 or 4 different experience, kind of I would say a 3D experience by sitting there, or 4D experience honestly, because you are visualizing it as well as experiencing it, whatever you are seeing it. So definitely fun thing to try if you want to. This is the location I was talking about on the left hand side, which is outside a open place. You can see a lot of kids are playing. There is a brush and everything. There is a 3-4 different spot on this same location. Definitely for kids it's a fun activity, and today the weather is really beautiful, so definitely it's fun to see the views and everything also. Now we are going to the third level. I will show you what other things are there at the third level. Here also there is a lot of activities and equipments and things like that. Some of the like the sound related and the smell related and things like that at the entrance only. So this is the thing I was talking about. So you can see all this, the lever and everything is basically you can play a different mood with the sound and then the smell, how it's connected, everything written here. You can read it, all the information is here already. Now at the same third level there is another section where you can see a lot of small insects and animals and snakes and things like that, for kids to see. Not big, but definitely a fun part. You're gonna see now a lot of information regarding that also. Now on the other side, which I was showing from the downstairs, which is this place where the kids can climb and everything, is here entry point, as well as you will see kind of a rock climbing small wall is also there for the kids to play and give it a try. So this is basically I was talking about. There are some small insects and animals on a display you can see, and a lot of information written there regarding the location, from where it is, what is that, what they eat and everything like that. So definitely a fun part. This is another fun place at the same location, which is a train set. It's a miniature train set, and it's definitely fun to see. I always like this kind of stuff. You will see a very to the detail, like the train set, the stops, the locations, the bridges, and everything. And even in this one, is kind of like interactive. So there are small buttons you can play and press, and you can see some changes around. Definitely fun to see. It's a huge, you can see in my video right now. So if you go there, it will be fun to see. So at this location is very interesting. So here you can even ask the question. It's like a kind of Siri or Google Ask. Now this location is interesting. On this particular part you are seeing, it's called microbe drawing. So they use microbes to kind of cultivate and create a design of it, and there is a competition in the world, and you can participate and win. And a lot of scientists in the lab, they create all these bacteria and microbes using different methods, and you can play around and get a lot of knowledge and information by this display, by reading all this information on the board or the hanging board and things like that. Definitely on the other side you will see a lot of details about regarding other animals and other details on that. Now we are reaching to the final level, the fourth level of this building, and this Liberty Science Center. You can see here also there is a lot of activities and everything. You can see this section is majorly has a lot of details regarding art and colors and everything, but mainly about regarding the renewable energies, the sources, the different energies and things like that, how that machine works and all. Fun to see. Now this is the final section I'm gonna visit. They're gonna close this Liberty Center and I'm almost at the closing time. Thank you for visiting my channel and watching this video. See you soon. Please like, share and subscribe.